This way. Come on. The noise is coming from up there.
It's coming from that cloud.
Come on. It's shaking.
What can it be?
Oh!
So that's what's making the noise.
What? What is it?
It's sun.
Sun? It's sun! It's sun! He's making a big noise.
A big snoring noise.
We'll never get to sleep with that noise. What can we do?
Maybe Sun is snoring because he's sleeping on his back, like you do, Baba Blue. But it's okay, because when you turn on your side, you stop.
Oh, I see. We should turn Sun on his side. Good idea, Baba Pink. Come on, let's do it. Ready, Cloudbabies? 1, 2, 3, push! It worked.
You Cloudbabies are so clever.
Thank you, little star. Will you go back to twinkling now?
Oh, yes. Little star will twinkle all night long.
Look at our door.
Now it's no one's favourite colour. We'll have to paint it again.
But which colour do we use?
Hurry up, Baba Green. Bobo yum.
Here you go, everyone. Fresh from the Sky Orchard.
Thanks, Baba Green.